In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can group and ungroup objects in Excel with ease. So here we have a line chart of revenue. Let's just say for some sort of a visual effect, I want to have a dashed line above the line chart with the text 11x growth. Now, because these objects are ungrouped, whenever I move the line chart, the objects above do not move with them. But I can group them all together and have them quote-unquote attached, so that way they will move as I move the line chart. To do this, I first want to right-click on every item while holding down the control key so that way they're all selected at the same time. From here, I'm going to want to right-click and then click on Group. And by doing this, they are all grouped together and quote-unquote attached. So that way, as I move the line chart, the objects move with it. Now, to ungroup the items, I can just click on the objects that I have grouped, right-click, so I'm going to click on all of them, right-click, I'm going to want to click on Ungroup. And then now, having clicked on Ungroup, as I move the chart, the objects do not move with it anymore. That's it. I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.